Now let's see the graphs of basic functions. These graphs of basic functions will be plays a somewhat crucial role in your calculus. Let's see the some basic functions will be there. We have to see the basic functions and their plots representation. First plot be the, for example, if you take y is equal to x plot, how you can draw the graph for y is equal to x. Okay, for this case you have to take, so this will be an y axis and this will be an x axis, and here this will be an 0 1 2 3 4 5. Here negative, right? -1 -2 -3 -4 and -5, like that. Here 1 2 3 4, -1 -2 -3 -4 and -5. Okay, how we draw the graph for y is equal to x? That was our goal. Okay, so for this case we have to take x be the input and y be the output. So if you take x be the 0, what will happen? If you put y is equal to x, right? Put x is equal to 0, y is equal to, what will happen? Y become the 0. Next, put y is equal, next here you can see x is equal to 0, right? Y is equal to 0. At x is equal to 0 and y be the 0. This was the case. Next, for x is equal to 1, y is equal to 1. X is equal to 2, y be the 2. So here you can see y is equal to x, put in place of x, replace the x with 1. What will happen? Y is equal to 1. Next, replace the x with 2. What will happen? Y is equal to 2. Okay, in this way we can do. So if you take 3, what will happen to the y? Y will become the 3. 4, y will become the 4, like this. So here you can see at 1 how much we will get? We will get the 1. At 2, here the 2. At 3, here. At 4, here. Okay, now what we have to do? We have to do like this. Okay, next, if you want to take the negative case also, you can also take. If you take the -1, what will happen? You will get the y be the -1, so -2, so y be the -2, -3, -3, -4 means -4. So here -1 means how much we will get? We will get the -1 here, this case. -2 means here this case, -2. -3 means here this. Okay, this was the graph for y is equal to x plot. Okay, now let's see. Next, to move on to the y is equal to -x plot. What will happen the graph? Let's see. Okay, so here this will be the 0, this will be the 1 and this will be the -1 here. Okay, now what our target? Our target be the y is equal to -x. Y is equal to -x. What will happen? Here also you can see the input and as well as the output. So x be the input and y be the output. So here if you want to put x is equal to 0, what will happen to the y? Y be the y is equal to -x. So y is equal to how much? Y is equal to 0. And similarly, if you want to put y is equal to 1, x is equal to 1, so y is equal to minus 1. And here, if you want to put x is equal to 2, what will happen to the y? Y is equal to minus 2. That means replaced x with 2. This will become the minus 2. If you want to take the 3, what will happen to the y? Y is equal to minus 3. So y is equal to minus 3. Okay. For example, if you take the negative values, if you want to take the minus 1, what will happen? Y is equal to minus into minus, that will become the plus. Y is equal to minus into minus 1, that will be equal to y is equal to what will happen? Y is equal to 1. If you want to take x is equal to minus 2, what will happen? Y is equal to minus of minus 2, y is equal to how much? Y is equal to 2. If you want to take x is equal to minus 3, this will become the plus 3. Now for this we have to draw the points and connect all of those points, we will get a straight line. Okay. So here for 0, what we will get? You will get the 0, right? 0. Next, for 1, how much you will get? You will get the minus 1, this point. Next, for 2, you will get the minus 2. Next, for 3, you will get the minus 3. Okay, you have to connect all of these points. Okay, here like this. Next, if you take the minus 1, how much you will get? You will get the plus 1. Okay, if you want to take the minus 2, how much you will get? You will get the plus 2. If you want to take the minus 3, how much you will get? You will get the 3. Okay, connect these points. So this was the graph for the y is equal to minus x plot. Okay, for example, if you want to draw the y is equal to modulus of x, how you can draw? Before case we will see the y is equal to plus x plot, and in this case we will see the y is equal to minus x plot. Now what we have to do means we have to do the both plus and minus, that means modulus, apply the modulus. What will happen to the plot? Let's see. So what we have to do means now y is equal to modulus of x. Here you can see this will be an 0, this will be the minus 1, this will be the plus 1, here this will be the plus 1. Okay. Okay, next, our target will be to draw the y is equal to modulus of x plot. Okay, so modulus means modulus can be represented like this, right? This will be said to be the modulus. Here the modulus means it have the both values, that means positive as well as the negative. This will be the positive and this will be the negative. Okay, here you can observe, before we will get the y is equal to x plot and y is equal to minus x plot. Take the both plus plot and the minus plot, we will get the like this. Okay, and one more thing, at y is equal to plus x plot and y is equal to minus x plot, they will be intersect at origin, right? Here it will be just intersect at origin. So write it down here, y is equal to plus x plot and y is equal to minus x plot intersect at origin. Intersects at origin. Okay, now Here also the straight line will be coming, here also the straight line will be coming. For time being, just neglect that these two straight lines from the third coordinate and the fourth coordinate. From here I will be tell you one term that will be the, how you find out the angle. So the angle be the, here this will be an 45 degrees, right? 45 degrees, and here this will be the 135 degrees. How you can tell this will be an 45 degrees and this will be an 135 degrees? For example, if you consider this will be in 0 degrees and this will be in 90 degrees and this will be in 180 degrees, this will be in 270 degrees. When 270 degrees it move on to the 0 degrees, it will be 0 degrees or 360 degrees, right? 0 degrees or 360 degrees, that means complete cycle. Okay, full rotation. So here our straight line be from 0 to 90, right? That means it from the like this, from 0 to 90, in between, right? In between means this will become the 45 degrees. This will become the 45 degrees. That 45 degrees also we have to write here. Okay, next, here this will be from 90 to 180 degrees. The line be like this, and hence this will be the 135 degrees. Okay, this was the plot for the y is equal to modulus of x. Now let's see the what will happen if you take y is equal to x plus 1 plot. Y is equal to x plus 1. Y is equal to x plus 1. Our target be the, for this function you have to find out the graph. Okay, so here you can see, here also same thing. This will be an x and this will be an y. Here this will be the origin, 1 2 3 4, here 5, and here this will be the 1 2 3 some 4, here -1 -2 -3, and here this will be the -4 and this will be the -5. Here also this will be the -1 -2 -3 -4 and -5. Now in this case also we will see the input and as well as the output. How you can draw the table? This will be an x, y. Suppose if I take x be the 0, what will happen to the y? Y is equal to x plus 1, right? In place of x, replaced x with 0. So what will happen? Y become the 1. So y become the 1. If I want to take 1, what will happen? Y is equal to 1 plus 1. Y is equal to 2. And similarly, if you want to take 2, x be the 2, y become the 3. 2 plus 1, that will be the 3. And if you want to take 3, 3 be the 3 plus 1, that will be the 4. And similarly, if you want to take for the -1, what will happen? In place of x, we have to replace the x with -1, that will become the -1 plus 1. This will become the y is equal to 0. Y is equal to 0. For example, if you take y is equal to -2 plus 1, so y is equal to how much you will get? Y is equal to, you will get -1, right? And here if you want to take x is equal to -3, So y is equal to minus 3 plus 1. This will become the minus 2. Okay. Now from this table we have to represent the points here in this graph, and last we have to connect all of those points. We will get the graph for the y is equal to x plus 1 function. So here if you take for 0, how much you will get? You will get the 1, right? At 0 you will get the 1. For 1 you will get the 2, and 2 you will get the 3, and 3 you will get the 4. Okay. Next, if you want to take, what will happen? This, if you want to just connect like this, so from minus 3 you will get the minus 2, from minus 2 you will get the minus 1. Okay, just connect like this. From this you can observe one thing: in the y is equal to x plus x and y is equal to minus x function, we will get an intersected origin. Okay, but in this case y is equal to x plus 1, you can't get the intersected origin. But here you can't get any intersect. For example, if you draw the y is equal to x minus 1, how you can draw? That will be on vice versa, right? Y is equal to x minus 1. If you want to draw, how you can draw? The plot be like this. For example, if you take the slope for this will be the m greater than 0, and this will become the m less than 0, like this. Okay, here in this graphs of the basic functions, if you will get to know one function of a graph, another be the easy only. Okay, this will be for y is equal to x minus 1, and this will be for y is equal to x plus 1. Same in this way you can solve. Next, for example, if you see y is equal to x square, what will happen? So if you want to draw an plot for y is equal to x square, so here this will be the minus 1, this will be the minus 2, and this will be the plus 1, this will be the plus 2, and here this will be the 3. Okay, our target be the to find out the y is equal to x square function for the plot. So here also you can see, first of all what you have to do, you have to do the table and substitute the table here in terms of points, and finally what you have to do, you have to connect all of those points. You will get the required plot of the basic functions, whatever you have to take. So if you take, this will be an input be the x, next y, here this will be an 0. So here you can see what they will be given, y is equal to x square, right? So in place of x you have to replace the x with 0. What will happen? So y is equal to 0 square. 0 square means 0. Next for 1, if you take the 1, y is equal to how much? 1 square means 1. 2 means y is equal to, in place of x replace x with 2, that will become the 2 square. Y is equal to 4. Y is equal to 2 square, that will become the 4. And if you want to take, okay, 2 enough. Next, if you take the minus 1, for example, if I take minus 1, y is equal to minus 1 whole square. Minus into minus you will get the plus. So y is equal to how much? Y is equal to plus 1. Next, if you want to take y is equal to minus 2, so y is equal to minus 2 whole square. So how much you will get? Y is equal to 4 you will get. Okay. This was the table for our y is equal to x square function. So what we have to do next step? Next step, make the points. So here at 0 you will get n 0, for 1 you will get n 1, for 2 you will get n 4. Okay. Next, minus 1, how much you will get? You will get n plus 1. Minus 2, how much you will get? You will get n plus 4. Okay. Now what you have to do? You have to connect all these points. Okay. This was the plot for y is equal to x square. Okay. This was the plot for y is equal to x square. The plot for y is equal to x square. And similarly, if you want to tell the y is equal to minus x square, what will happen? Opposite to the y is equal to x square, you will get the y is equal to minus x square, right? So, if you draw like this, this will be the plot for y is equal to minus x square. So, if you know the y is equal to x square, y is equal to minus x square is not an issue. In the before case also, if you know the y is equal to x plus 1, y is equal to x minus 1 is not an issue, right? And if you want to find out this y is equal to minus x square also, you can be also find out by using this table. You will get the same answer like this. Okay. Okay, this was for the part 1 for the graphs of the basic functions. In the next class, we will see some more interesting graphs for the basic functions. Thank you.